Hello, number system class 1. So first of all, in this class we want to know what is mean by number system. So what is the purpose of number system? So this number system topic we will preferably read in BTech and also in diploma. Actually, what is the purpose to read the number system? The number system is a basic concept to learn a digital electronics. So, where we will use this number system? For example, I am saying it is a digital electronics. So first of all, what is the difference between digital electronics and analog electronics? In the previous days, we have used a transistors, resistors, capacitors based, a passive elements in a circuit board. So at that time, there is no need of number system. There is no digital electronics. Now we are using a digital electronics, means a digital components we are using like microcontroller and microprocessor, like that. So if you want to learn about the microcontroller and microprocessor, you need to know first of all a number system. So actually a number systems are different parts. So in those number systems, we are having one number system called binary number system. So this binary number system will plays very important role in digital electronics. This binary number system, what is meant by binaries? So binaries are called zeros and ones. So 0 and 1. So preferably we can say it as logic low and also logic high. This logic low is called 0 and logic high is called 1. So logic low and also logic 1. So this logic low, logic high are amplitude levels of the signal. So amplitude levels of the signal means logic low means you are not getting anything, means that is potentially 0, and logic high means you are potentially high signal you are getting, high amplitude signal you are getting. So in this manner, this binary number system is very important in microcontroller as well as microprocessor. So this binary number system, not only this binary number system, but also we will use hexadecimal number system. For example, I am here writing one is binary number system and second one hexadecimal. Actually we are having a different types of number systems, but I am taking only this one binary number system, two hexadecimal number system. So first, before discussing of these two topics, I want to say about a decimal number system. So what is decimal number system? So for example, if I gave a 10 rupees note in a shopkeeper to buy a 1 rupee shampoo, so how much amount he will give return? That is 9 rupees. So the numbers are 0 to 1, 2, 3, 2, so on up to 9. So how many numbers you are having? Only 10 numbers you are having. So this 0 is a 1, 2, 3, 4, so up to so on. The total numbers from 0 to 9, you are having 10 numbers. So in that manner, you are calling this a decimal number system. Okay, so you both are humans. As a shopkeeper, he is a human. As a buyer, you are a human. So that you people are understanding the decimal number system. But if you want to discuss with one microcontroller, or if you want to discuss with one microprocessor, how it can be understood? It can't understood because it doesn't know your decimal number system. Or else, if somebody asks you time, then you will say 1:30 p.m. or 2:30 p.m. or 3:30 p.m. So that is base 12 number system. Means decimal number system is nothing but base 10 number system. Okay, so if you want to interface with a microcontroller, or if you want to interface with a microprocessor, then the binary number system or hexadecimal number system will plays very important role. So the binary number system, even it is a hexadecimal number system, the values, the signal will be flows in a binary number system. But as we are having a different types of softwares, will displace a hexadecimal number system. That binary number system we will not understood. For example, if you say hi, it will, if you type hi in your keyboard, it looks on your word as a hi, or else on notepad it looks like hi. But the transformation in between your microprocessor or microcontroller to your display, it's not like a decimal number system or your language, Telugu language or English language. So it will be like binary number system. So that the binary number system will plays very important role. So in this binary number system, you are having one is 0 and another one is 1. So this 0 is called logic low, and this 1 is called logic high. Okay, so this is logic low and this is logic high. Okay, so the whole information will be transferred in between microcontroller or microprocessor or any digital system in the form of binary number system. So that is what the significance of the number system presents in this class. Okay, so what are the different types of number systems? Here only we discussed about the significance of number system. So in that number system, what is the significance? Very important number systems are hexadecimal number system and binary number system. So in next class we will discuss about what are the different types of number systems we are having in our number system. Okay, thank you. Yours Ganesh.